housing deal that may have been too good to be true, and now City Council says it's too expensive to ignore.
And tonight, city leaders are accusing the Housing Authority of slipping millions in taxable property off the books without proper approval.
They call it a tax scheme in disguise, and now they're pushing to undo the damage. 3 News' Michael Gibson is here now to tell us how the city's looking to move these deals off the table and back on the tax rolls. Michael?
The Housing Authority says it was simply trying to make rent more affordable. But city officials say what really got slashed was millions in property tax revenue. Now they're wanting the agency to not only rethink those deals, but get out of them totally, or it could cost the city some big bucks. The city of Corpus Christi says the Housing Authority didn't just bend the rules, they may have broken them. And now city leaders say those supposed behind-the-scenes apartment deals could cost taxpayers millions.
It's dirty, it doesn't look pretty the way they did it. It's wrong.
At the heart of this housing headache, a program that took apartment complexes off the tax rolls in exchange for converting some of the units into affordable housing. The city feels the deals were not legal.
We feel that the agreements, the property management agreements, along with the land agreements, were not authorized under state law nor their bylaws.
Council is now preparing a resolution blasting what they call a tax dodge in disguise. They say the Housing Authority struck the deals before even cluing the city in, a move that could drain more than $3 million in local tax revenue. And according to the Housing Authority's own CEO, those deals may actually be set in stone.
I think that the deals that have been done. I think they're going to be very, very hard to unwind. And I think that's just going to create lots and lots of problems.
Councilman Roland Barrera says it's not just a miscommunication, it's a major malfunction.
There's a glitch in the system, and we feel that it wasn't communicated to us properly.
And a longtime voice in city government, now sitting on the Housing Authority board, says if the law wasn't followed, the fix might be to hit undo.
If it was done improperly, I mean, there is a provision in the law that anything that's done improperly because of a violation of the law is voidable.
And I did ask Assistant City Manager Heather Hurlburt how far the city would go to get those properties back onto the books. I asked her if the city would take the Housing Authority to court eventually. She says the city is waiting to see what the authority does before it decides on any course of action. Mike, Leslie.